how to make peri peri masala corn and how to make corn chaat. Let's dive into the video. Hey viewers, just in 2-minute recipe. Sweet corn peri peri, just heat and eat. The cooking instructions are behind the pack. Remove the outer packaging and separate the seasoning sachet inside. Open the pouch, pour the contents in a bowl and heat in a microwave for approximately 2 minutes. Drain the water from the bowl and it's ready. Take water in a utensil, enough water to dip the pouch completely. Heat water until it starts to boil. Take it off the flame and immerse the pouch completely in the hot water for 2-3 minutes. Carefully take the pouch out, hold it from the edges, drain the water inside and empty the contents in a bowl. Do try at home and share your constructive feedback. It's appetizing, it's mouth-watering, it's luscious in taste. Drop your constructive feedback. Bye bye.